Baby, won't you sail with me out on the rolling sea? We'll find some place to go, maybe down to Barbados. It's an island off somewhere in the middle of nowhere, sailing to freedom, you and me.
Hey, look at this, people! I'm not 100%. I got a little bit of an ear infection. But are you trying to hide your backpack? Is that going to make it look smaller by hiding it?
Yeah, that's my best buddy.
You might have met V before on another episode, I'm not sure. V is, in actual fact, she saw the boat and she said, this is an amazing looking boat. I want to be part of this adventure. Is that right? Am I lying?
Of course not.
I'm not lying, people. And so V has joined us. She's got a very big backpack. She's trying to hide. You're more than welcome. So we're going to actually fit V down there. That's the garage, and let's see the guns. Because there's all, you can't walk to it. You have to get a running jump and then Superman in to there.
All right.
Okay, you happy with that?
I'm happy with that.
All right.
Excellent.
All right. Okay. Okay, the barbecue is gonna get a little wet. That's okay. Oh, baby. Okay, well, the barbecue was washed out. Now we're back on Giancarlo's boat, the host with the most. Let's go check out what we're eating. I must admit, I'm a bit of a hobo today and I didn't supply any of the meal. And I feel ashamed. I feel less of a man. Less than a man. But I'm going to promise to do smoked fish extravaganza.
Extravaganza?
When my ear gets better. Which hopefully is tomorrow. Let's have a look.
Chicken and sausages and
this is the wonderful Giancarlo. Well, I don't think I've interviewed you yet, have I?
no.
Giancarlo is one of my greatest fans.
I am indeed,
You
yes.
did think I was Le Vagabond at first?
No, well, not quite.
Because I get confused with Le Vagabond. Le Vagabond people, don't write in and start whinging, please. It's a joke. It's a joke. Have a sense of humour. So we got Swiss, wonderful Italians, well, part British, I don't know how to, Italians, Swiss, and Canadian.
Québécois.
And of course, I'm the odd one out, but that's okay. I'll be on my best behaviour, people. Cheers, good stuff.
Cheers. Cheers.
Chicken maybe needs some more space.
Okay, people, we've got two different types of coconuts. One slightly more green than the other one. What's the verdict? We haven't got a green mushy one.
More green? No.
What?
That's the outside. The inside is not slightly more green.
No, the outside. The outside's green. What's the verdict on the older coconut?
It's just so delicious.
Yeah?
Yep.
Have you tried a younger, the greener one?
Not yet.
Oh, sorry, the outside is green, even though the inside is not so green. Is that specific enough for you, Lisa? So go for a softer one.
This?
Yeah, that's one. Yeah.
Okay. This one is more soft, but I like the taste of the other one better.
Yeah. It's definitely got more taste. There you have it. It's award-breaking news here, people. We find the truth. This vlog is about finding the truth. And the truth of the matter is, the older coconut, when it's grey on the outside, is better tasting. There you go. You're welcome, people. You're welcome. By the way, I've got an interesting story about coconut. I had a childhood friend, and he couldn't eat coconut properly because he used to eat it and chew it until it was like powder in his mouth. So he'd suck all of the juices out and it'd almost be powder, and then he couldn't swallow it. And so he'd be it was great because he spoke a lot, so you give him a little bit of coconut and that was it. He couldn't speak for like 4 hours because he was chewing the whole time and his mouth was getting drier and drier and drier. Good on you, Peter. His name was Peter. I hope you're watching. You're probably not, but don't get embarrassed. We all have our little foibles when we're younger. What was your foible when you were younger? What did you do strangely? Oh, that's right, your parents. Your parents said that you were like a radio. You just, come on, tell a story, tell a story. It's a very funny story. I've sort of already wrecked the punchline a bit. Just forget about the radio comment. Okay, go.
Okay, so the thing is that in Swiss German, I usually talk really, really fast, which I can't do in English, and then I get stuck sometimes within the words.
Yeah.
So when I was younger, my parents told me, like they used to tell me, Lisa, you're like a radio. Once turned on, it just continues talking independently if anyone's listening to you.
Radio station.
G'day, Mum, Dad. It's alright, she's in good hands. Well, okay, let me change that. She's in hands and she's not dead yet. I did say at the start she won't die, but she might get close. But don't you worry, it's all good. So, what was one of your foibles when you were a kid? What were you known for? What did you do strangely?
My snack in the afternoon was a raw onion.
A raw onion?
Yeah.
You used to eat a raw onion?
Yeah, so basically I was playing with my friends in the neighborhood, and then my mom would bring a whole basket of apples for everybody, and I would pick the onion. She knew it, so she would stick an onion in there.
Wow. Alright, what are we doing, people? We're trying to work out what we're doing. We're having a powwow. Trying to work out what to do. It's hot, it's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
There's coral reef, there's an island just over there. We've got a really dodgy canoe and we're contemplating on blowing that up. Well, apparently these modern girls don't know how to pump, so I had to show them. I'm talking about the canoe, people. It's not clicking in.
Very promising.
Oh, there you go. Beautiful, girls. I'm not filming because I think you're going to fall in. But if you do fall in, I'll have another 5,000 viewers. Very graceful, girls. I mean, you let me down. I wanted you to fall in, but anyway.
Just so you know, my butt is already in the water.
Alright, well, it's cool. It's a cool bottom.
I don't know how far I'm gonna go with that.
Still good. Shit, sorry. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I was trying to get an all-round perspective. Hey! How big was the fish?
How big was it? My arms are not long enough.
Oh wow, she's a true fisherman, people. Alright, they're doing girl talk. I'm going in. I think I unbalanced the boat by jumping in too quickly, people. Oops. Sorry, I didn't mean that at all. Sorry. Dolphins!
Yeah.
How many?
2 bigger ones and 1 little one.
And they pop their head up to see who is there. You see that?
We want to have a commando roll. Woohoo! Go! I think that might have scared them a little. Let's see that again. Go!
Maybe next time a little less chasing would work out better.
Yeah, were you trying to kill it? Were you trying to grab it and throw it on the boat?
Well, it did not run away from me.
Yeah, I don't think it was quick enough. So, did you see the dolphins are just bubbles, Lisa? Just bubbles. Where'd the bubbles come from, V? As soon as you chase them, they know it and they make it difficult for you. But if you know where they're going to go, if they're swimming along a reef and they've been doing that for the last 10 minutes or so, well, you just go up 200 or 300 meters, cut the motor, jump people in, and then ideally you should move the boat, because the noise of the water underneath the boat, they hear that and they know there's a boat there and they're not stupid, and then they bypass that. So you need to get rid of the boat. But that's the only way I've found. And then they swim right past you, and sometimes if there's a baby, they find you interesting, and the parents are probably going, you know, yelling at the baby, hey, what are you doing? Get away from him. But they're always inquisitive, and so the parents tend to stay as well. But anyway, that's what I've found. Shouldn't chase them but these girls are having a bit of fun. It's kind of funny. Can't wait to see the footage of V flying through the air and landing practically on top of one. Nothing but quality, people. You're welcome. You're welcome. There's a lot of excitement because there's a whole bunch of fish chopping the water. And these guys are net fishermen, and they've been trying to get some fish today. And then they get home, and now all of a sudden there was a chopping fish over there, and what, 3 minutes later, chopping fish just there. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, they're going back out to get them. They're over there. So they set the net, and it was all good. They trapped the whole school, but the fish were just smaller than the net size, and they all went. No, all gone.
Yeah, like this, and this in the second one.
But A mole?
A minor
Minor, yeah.
is...
We're getting lessons, people, on how to play the guitar. I'm getting serenaded, people, just before the thunderstorm comes down and pisses on us and scares us in with lightning. It's very romantic.
Yeah, you don't... No! Shut up! You're so annoying!
See that? See what she's saying? I'm so annoying.
I don't know how I survived on this boat for the last 12 days with you filming everything.
It's because I'm very charming, people. Even though I look like the Geeko guy, or sorry, Geeko guy, I'm very charming. Well, not really. It's because she can't escape. It's stuck on the boat. It's a winner, people. You got to try it. It's great. Oops, sorry. Shh, they didn't hear that. Shh, it's a technique 101, okay?
But I got one more to share my faith.
To share your faith? Oh.
My fate.
Yeah, you've got a buddy.
A buddy.
A buddy.
A boat buddy.
We're so lucky to have V. We are lucky.
Cool. I'm lucky.
Not because she's a wonderful person, or she's charming, or I don't know, other words, because she's doing the washing up.
Because I can handle you, you were gonna say. That's what you were gonna say.
No, I said exactly what I was saying. Because she did the washing up.
Alright.
No, it's because you're all of the above. You know, like in D, when you're doing multiple choice, A, B, C, D, and it says D, all of the above. I'm choosing D.
Oh, it's mystery to me. We have agreed which we have agreed. And you think you have to want more than you need. Until you have it all, you won't be free. Society, you're a crazy breed. Hope you're not lonely without me. One more than you have, you think you need. When you think more than you want, your thoughts begin to bleed. Think I need to find a bigger place.